Hey everyone, now we're going to go into Module 2, Lesson 2. We're going to be covering how to set up custom conversions, and this is a key part of tracking that I really want you guys to pay attention to. So, custom conversions are events that tell Facebook to show your ad to people most likely to opt in to your offer. So, compare that with the traditional way of running Facebook ads where you run a website clicks campaign, and we're going to talk about that later. But usually, new advertisers run clicks campaigns, and that just tells Facebook to optimize towards clicks and not towards actual conversions. Custom conversions allow you to tell Facebook, hey, I want to target people who are most likely to complete conversions. Something that you need to remember is custom conversions are basically mostly set up using a thank you page or a confirmation page for your conversion. So you want to have that set up for your different offers. It also lets you run the most effective type of campaign type in Facebook ads, and that's website conversion campaigns. Now, this is differing from just website clicks campaigns, and there are different objectives when you're creating a campaign that I'll talk about later. But just note that custom conversions enable you to run website conversion campaigns. So let's walk through how to actually set up one of these custom conversions. So right now I'm right back where we left off when we were just viewing the pixel code. So when you want to get to custom conversions and you want to create one, all you have to do inside pixels is create conversion. Now it'll give you two options here. One is tracking conversions with standard events, which we'll talk about, and tracking custom conversions. So you want to click on track custom conversions. And that gives this kind of a pop-up. So you'll have a couple different options when you're creating your custom conversion, but what you want to do is just put URL equals, especially when you're just starting out, URL equals, and then put your thank you page URL in this box. So that'll be something that is displayed when someone is confirmed to have opted into your offer, whether it's like an ebook or a webinar registration, or if someone even checks out, they'll be taken to some type of a confirmation page. So you want to put that in here. So it would be something like this. So it would be maybe yoursite.com/thank-you or yoursite.com/checkout, one of those. So if it was a checkout, Facebook also allows you to select a category. And these categories basically allow you to tell Facebook to optimize towards certain conversions. So if you want more checkouts, have Facebook optimize towards that action. You can also do purchase, which I recommend if you're trying to get a purchase. Or you can do lead, so if you're offering some type of a lead magnet, or maybe even you want to characterize webinar registrations as leads, which I usually do. It's usually leads or purchases that I like to optimize for. Then you click next, and then you just name your custom conversion so that you'll be able to recognize it and use it when you're setting up your campaigns. And you can also set up a conversion value, which is really nice if you want to track how much money you're making inside of Facebook. So that would be used when you're doing some type of a checkout. Then you'll just click create, and then you'll be done. If you want to see whether or not your custom conversion is working, a good way to do that is going back up to your dashboard, going to measure and report, and then clicking on custom conversions. And that's where I'm at right now. So you'll be able to see, so since these were tests, they're not actually real, so there's no activity, but it'll give you like a number of how many people have actually reached that conversion or have completed that conversion. So that's pretty cool.